This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, corn prices were lower yesterday as they are pressured by outside markets and forecasts for favorable weather conditions. The weekly ethanol report was encouraging as it showed a 52,000 barrel per day increase over the previous week. Stocks saw a small decline down to 21 million barrels. For the marketing year, ethanol production is running 10% behind last year, while stocks are now 2.5% less than year-ago numbers. In the overnight trade, we have spot corn futures trading a penny lower as I record this. Soybean prices were lower on favorable weather forecasts for the next several days and spillover weakness from the equity markets. In the overnight trade, we see a continuation of yesterday's price action as we have the spot futures trading down a penny. Chicago and Kansas City winter wheat traded lower yesterday on a stronger U.S. dollar, weakness in the energy and equity markets, and the resumption of winter wheat harvest. Minneapolis was a bit higher, supported by dryness across the northern plains. Now, rains are expected for today and tomorrow, but traders seem to want to see the rain before they're willing to sell off the Minneapolis wheat. In the overnight trade, we have Chicago up 3 cents. Kansas City is a half cent higher, while Minneapolis is trading a half cent lower. Cotton prices retreated, with the December futures finishing down 23 points, settling at 59.21. In the overnight trade, we have the spot futures down an additional 19 points. Livestock futures were lower straight across the board yesterday. August live cattle futures ended the session 85 cents lower, while August feeder cattle were down 32.5 cents at the closing bell. Lean hog futures lost ground as well, with the August futures down $1.25 at the close. Class 3 milk futures also experienced a bit of a setback, with July futures closing down 75 points, settling at 21.56. We're trading another 43 points lower in the overnight trade. Finally, meat cutout values were split yesterday. Choice box beef was $2.12 lower, closing at $209.69. Select boxes were $1.88 lower as they settled at $201.69. Pork carcass values, on the other hand, were $4.50 higher as they closed at $67.68 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.